If you are thinking about buying a desktop computer, stop what you are doing, because Apple is about to release a machine that completely shatters every expectation of what a compact PC can do. For years, the desktop world was dominated by massive tower PCs, giant metal boxes taking up half your desk, drawing massive amounts of power, and spinning loud fans just to stay cool under heavy loads. But quietly, behind closed doors, Apple has been executing a multi-year master plan that culminates in one specific device, the 2026 M5 Mac Mini. This tiny aluminum square, barely larger than a stack of coasters, is not just a budget gateway into the Mac ecosystem anymore. With the integration of Apple's next-generation M5 and M5 Pro silicon, the new Mac Mini is turning into an absolute workstation monster that threatens to make traditional desktop PCs obsolete for millions of creators, software engineers, and power users. To understand why the 2026 M5 Mac Mini is sending shockwaves through the tech industry, you have to look at the massive architectural shift taking place under the hood. When Apple introduced the M-series chips, they proved that integrated, unified memory and hyper-efficient architecture could outclass dedicated hardware in everyday speed. But the M5 generation takes that philosophy into a completely different dimension. Built on an advanced third-generation 3nm manufacturing process, the M5 and M5 Pro chips feature Apple's groundbreaking Fusion architecture. By combining high-efficiency silicon dies with new supercores, which deliver the world's fastest single-threaded CPU performance, the M5 Mac Mini handles multi-threaded workloads up to 30% faster than its predecessor, while slashing power consumption to unbelievable lows. What makes this performance jump so critical for 2026 is how work has evolved. We are no longer just editing video or compiling code, we are running local artificial intelligence models, executing real-time 3D ray tracing, and processing massive multi-gigabyte datasets right on our local drives. In the past, running local large language models or generating AI imagery required a 1000-watt power supply and a massive dedicated graphics card with noisy fans. The M5 architecture changes that overnight. With a dedicated neural accelerator built directly into every single GPU core, the M5 Mac Mini accelerates on-device AI workloads by up to 4 times compared to prior generations. Prompts that used to freeze up desktop applications are now processed instantaneously in real time, completely offline, without sending a single byte of your private data to the cloud. Now let us talk about graphics and media processing, because this is where the M5 Pro configuration creates a massive rift between the Mac Mini and traditional desktop computers. The M5 Pro GPU brings up to a 50% leap in raw graphics performance over previous chips. If you are a video editor working in Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro, scrubbing through multicam 8K ProRes timelines or color grading complex scenes feels as instant as scrolling through a web page. Render times that used to allow for a coffee break now happen before you can even look away from the monitor. For 3D animators and visual effects artists working in tools like Max and Redshift or Blender, hardware-accelerated ray tracing on the M5 Pro allows you to preview complex lighting and reflections in real time inside your viewport. You get workstation-grade performance without a massive tower heating up your room. One of the most remarkable aspects of the M5 Mac Mini design is its thermal engineering. In a world where high-end graphics cards consume hundreds of watts and require elaborate liquid cooling systems, Apple's silicon efficiency allows the Mac Mini to run at peak capacity while using a fraction of the power. The internal thermal architecture draws air from the base and exhausts it silently through the back, keeping the system cool under sustained 100% CPU and GPU utilization. Whether you are exporting a massive 8K video project or running overnight code compilations, the M5 Mac Mini operates in virtual silence. For podcasters, voice actors, and audio engineers who need a silent studio environment, eliminating fan noise from their recording space is a massive game-changer. Memory bandwidth has always been the hidden secret behind Apple Silicon's real-world snappiness, and the 2026 model takes full advantage of it. Unified memory is shared seamlessly across the CPU, GPU, and neural engine, eliminating the traditional bottleneck where data has to be repeatedly copied between system RAM and VRAM. Supported by ultra-fast storage controller pipelines capable of blinding read and write speeds up to 14.5 GB per second, launching heavy applications, loading multi-gigabyte sample libraries, and swapping between dozens of active browser tabs happens instantly with zero lag or system stutter. The versatility of the port layout on the M5 Mac Mini further solidifies its position as the central hub of modern desk setups. Featuring high-speed Thunderbolt connectivity, high-bandwidth HDMI outputs, front-accessible USB-C ports, high-impedance audio monitoring, and optionable 10 gigabit Ethernet, this tiny machine seamlessly connects to ultra-high-resolution external monitors, fast external RAID storage arrays, and high-speed local networks. You can hook up multiple 6K displays and create a massive multi-monitor studio workstation, driven entirely by a desktop unit that weighs less than 3 pounds. When you weigh all of these technological leaps together, the true genius of the M5 Mac Mini comes down to its incredible price-to-performance ratio. Historically, getting true workstation capability required spending thousands of dollars on custom PC builds, motherboard upgrades, power supplies, and bulky cooling hardware. Apple has flipped that paradigm on its head by delivering enterprise-tier performance, whisper-quiet operation, world-class single-threaded CPU speeds, and cutting-edge local AI acceleration inside an ultra-compact enclosure at a fraction of the cost. The 2026 M5 Mac Mini is not just an incremental spec bump, it is the definitive compact desktop of the modern era, setting a new benchmark for what a computer should be. If you have been waiting for the ultimate upgrade to power your creative workflow, your development projects, or your home studio for years to come, the wait is officially over.